Welcome to Impact. Headlines. Red Sea tensions drives freight rates and shipment times higher. Global South to strengthen as non-aligned movement concludes summit. Oil prices down. AI and blockchain news update. Tensions from the Red Sea crisis continue to impact freight rates. Freightos Global Container Index breached $3,000, a level last seen in November 2022. Shippers are rerouting vessels around the Cape of Good Hope. This impacts approximately 11% of the global trade and poses a significant threat to Asia-Europe shipping routes. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka exporters are seeing a significant increase in shipping times and freight rates. According to Johan Lawrence, Director General of Sri Lanka's Joint Apparel Association Forum, sailing costs to the European Union and the east of the United States have almost doubled, with sailing times increasing by about 12 to 14 days. He also added that availability of containers are also constrained. The 19th non-aligned movement was held in Kampala, Uganda. The summit was convened under the theme Deepening Cooperation for Shared Global Affluence. President Ranil Wickremesinghe addressed the gathering and called on them to become a dynamic bloc of the Global South, capable of making an effective impact in shaping the evolving new order. Impact on Sri Lanka. In Kampala, President Wickremesinghe held bilateral discussions with the heads of state of South Africa, Ethiopia, Nepal, the Bahamas, Tanzania, and the Vice President of Benin. Such was to attract trade and investment to Sri Lanka while highlighting the country's path to recovery. Further, investment opportunities in the country's renewable energy sector were also stated. This week, oil prices fell by 0.1% to around $78.47 per barrel as global oil demand outlook offset geopolitical concerns in the Middle East and an attack on a Russian export terminal. According to Tony Sycamore, IG analyst, oil production is higher and the growth outlook in China and Europe is mixed at best, with the velocity of the US economy slowing considerably. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's high dependency on oil imports means changing prices significantly affects its balance of payments. While the country's foreign exchange reserves have improved in recent months, they remain dangerously low at just around 3 months of imports. Since gaining approval, spot Bitcoin ETFs have seen inflows of about $4 billion, amassing over 95,000 Bitcoins in the first 6 days of trading. Leading ETFs, BlackRock and Fidelity, each attracted inflows of over $1.2 billion. According to Daily Coin, the ETFs are drawing in a surge of investors looking to gain exposure to the crypto market. Impact on Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka still does not accept the trading or usage of cryptocurrency legally, resulting in an informal market for it. But the acceptance of the currency in the US will signal for wider acceptance of the technology and currency globally, including Sri Lanka. And that's a wrap for this week. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay updated on the latest developments in Sri Lanka.